For shaping this lace canvas, we will really need these baby flowers. Now in this masterclass we will link them. I will knit iris and hook 1 millimeter. First we need to secure the thread. And here in this formed loop, I'm working pull through. Here the first secured her, and you need to tie a chain of 6 air loops first. Now I'm her, close in the ring. And we're ready for the first and only row. We knit a chain of 4 air loops first. And then tie 3 columns with 2 capes into the ring. One cape. Oh, 1 column. Second column. And third column with 2 capes. We tie everything at once in the ring. Here tied. Here we have a chain and 3 columns with 2 capes. And again knit a chain of 4 air loops. 4, and now we're in a ring connecting. Column and loop. Finish this petal. This is the petal turned out. These are the ones we should have 4. Starting also 4 air lift loops. Four. Further 3 columns with 2 capes. And again a chain of 4 air loops. Connecting stem. Fixed at the base. Here they are, we have half. Motives are already connected. Now we need to link 2 more. Should turn out 4 petal flower. And here I have already tied 4 petals. Cutting off the thread. And tighten fasten it. Here's this thread I have already secured under knitting. Can cut off. And this one I will take a needle and fix. Here I have this. Here are these petals. Such flowers, and I drew a scheme. Who loves schemes? Here are 6 air loops and petals. You can make smaller ones if you wish. Petals, that is, tie knot 2. 2 air, not 2 cape to do, but 1 cape. Here I tied a flower with 1 naked columns and natural. Rise chain, 3 air loops. Well, like this here, it is different. See smaller. Can do. The number of petals is larger, not 4, let's say, and 5. Then there will be not 3 columns with 2 capes in the petal, and 2 columns. That's how in this here. And then the 5th petal will fit in here. Here, look, I tied for you with 5 petals. Here's this one, here's a small one. There are 3 columns with 1 cape. Here is 3 columns inside. Here are 2 columns inside, and here are 2 columns inside. So cook, depending on What are your goals? And I will have these flowers because I need to collect a canvas. So there are 4 petals. From 4 sides, the canvas will be attached. This is how it will turn out. Then show the finished canvas.